Hi, I'm Ali and welcome to my channel. I ordered the $75 regular Beautylish Lucky Bag the day after Christmas last year, and I actually wasn't expecting it to arrive until later today, so I was pleasantly surprised to find that it had already been delivered when I came home from work last night. I'm hoping that bodes well for the contents of this box. I'm really excited to see what's in it, so let's dive in and see if today is my lucky day. It looks to be packaged really beautifully. It has this really nice cream tissue paper. Actually, it's regular paper. And let's see. Here's a look at the cute tag. It says Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The Japanese custom would be the fukubukuro bags. The crane on this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope the surprises inside make your 2020 a little more lucky. Fingers crossed. I'm gonna try to open this up without peeking too much inside. Okay, so everything seems to come in this little bundle. And I accidentally peeked when I was trying to figure out how to open the bubble wrap. But, okay. First thing I see is a Denona Merrick's Beauty Dew Wet Balm in the shade Morning Dew. I'm guessing this is a highlighter. So here's what that looks like. I'm not familiar with this brand. This is actually my first Beautylish order ever, so I'll have to go online and get some more information about this. So far, I'm thinking things look promising. I've watched a bunch of other Beautylish Lucky Bag unboxings, and I've not seen anyone get this product yet, so maybe I'm getting a different bag than other people. Next, I'm seeing something that I have seen other people unbox. This is the Good Molecules Silicone-Free Priming Moisturizer. This looks to be full size, 50 ml. Oh, and it's made in Korea. So things seem promising with this product as well. So here's what that looks like. And it looks like it has a little pump on it. I'm very excited to try this out. Oh my goodness, I got a Surratt blush. This is in the shade Peau d'Opèche, which I'm guessing is a peach color. Oh, I'm so excited. I tried to order some Surratt single eyeshadows from Bloomingdale's last year, and they don't ship to Hawaii. Isn't that crazy? Okay, so here's what the packaging looks like. And here's the shade itself. I'm wondering if this is a full-size blush or if it's intended to go into a face palette. Again, I'll have to look more on this, but I'm so happy. I know Surratt beauty prices are a little up there, so I'm very thrilled to get it, and in a peach blush, my favorite. Okay, next product is the Oribe Balm Door Heat Styling Shield. I could definitely use this. I do flat iron my hair every other day. Here's what that looks like. So it looks like you work this into damp hair, and I will have to remember to do that. I usually put on my heat protectants right before I flat iron, so this will kind of take some getting used to getting into my routine, but very excited about this as well. I got a brush. This is the Sonia G Pencil One brush. These are some really pretty Japanese brushes, natural hair brushes. Here's what that looks like. This looks like it'll be perfect for smudging under my lower lash line. Oh, it's really soft. I'm so excited. And I think the big ticket item is this Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. This is the Celestial Storm palette. I wonder if this was the variation that was in the BoxyCharm recently. I'll have to double check. The colors do look kind of similar. I'll have to go and check that out. Really pretty though. I think some of these brighter shades like the turquoises and the purples are a little out of my comfort zone, but I'm still glad to have received this in my lucky bag. I'm surprised at how large of a palette it is too. I'm just gonna double check to see if there's anything else I missed in the box. Okay, so I think that's everything in my box, and I'm really happy with it. I was getting kind of nervous when I was watching other people's unboxings. I was hoping I wouldn't get an ABH palette. I'm so happy with the things that I did get. So to recap, I got the Denona Merrick's Beauty Dew Wet Balm, which I think is a highlighter. I got the Good Molecules Silicone-Free Priming Moisturizer. The Surat Beauty Blush in Peau de Pêche. The Oribe Heat Styling Shield. The Sonia G Pencil One Brush. And the Dominique Cosmetics Celestial Storm Eyeshadow Palette. So overall, I'm really pleased with the contents of my Beautylish Lucky Bag, and this actually gives me a little more confidence to purchase another bag next year, maybe even try to spring for the extra large $150 bag that promises at least $300 worth of products, assuming that they're still available by the time I get online next year. If you got a lucky bag, I'd love to know what you received as well. Please leave me a note in the comments down below. Thanks so much for stopping by, and hope to see you again in one of my future videos. Bye!